One of the most common questions that I get during LASX training is there a user manual for LASX? And actually there is a manual. It's found under Help and Contents. So when you click that, it will open a browser window in Internet Explorer. You don't actually need to be online. It's a file in your computer. It's on your C drive. Click Allow Block Content, and there it'll take you to the full menu for LASX. So you can either go through each topic or you can search for specific topics. Now, if you're already in LASX and you're curious about how to do something, you can click on any of these little red eyes to take you to a help menu. So let's say I'm curious about something within this image dialog. I click on the little red eye, Allow Block Content. And then within this image dialog, we have a bunch of different options. So let's say I'm curious about camera calibration. And now you have step-by-step instructions on how to call up the calibration wizard, carrying out the calibration, and then creating a calibration report. So that exists for just about everything within LASX. Of course, you can always look through the other videos on this channel, and you can call your friendly local advanced workflow specialist, and also the tech support line that is available at 866-830-0735 extension 3.